Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to apply mask shape to a video in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and here we need to create a new section, and for creating a new section we need to click on the plus icon in the middle of the screen. Here it is asking us about the layout, whether we want a flex box or a grid, so I'm selecting grid over here, and in the structure we are selecting the first structure, that is of 1 row and 2 column. Now for adding a video widget, you need to click on the plus icon in the top black header line and search for video. And from here you can simply drag and drop your video widget to the first column of the section, and in the left side toolbar you will find content setting, style setting and advanced setting. And in the content setting itself there is an option of link. You can simply copy paste your YouTube video link over here and your video would be displayed. Now we are going to the advanced option, and here in the advanced option you need to scroll down to the mask setting. Okay, right now mask is off. You can simply turn it on by clicking on this turn on button, and here you can simply select the shape, whatever the shape you want as a mask, right? You can also change the size of this, fill or fit or custom, right? You can also change the position of your mask, whether you want in center, left, center right, top center, top left, top right, bottom center, bottom left, bottom right, and custom, right? And in this size, as you can see, fit, fill or and custom, these options are available. You can select any of the mask, right, and that particular mask would be placed on your video. So this is how you can add mask shape to your video in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.